Alright, so my last video was my LBZ Duramax with a stainless diesel 61mm 9-blade turbo on it and a 5-inch straight pipe exhaust. And I said in that video that I was going to put a muffler on it. A couple of people want to hear it with that muffler on it. I wound up going a different direction. When I bought this truck, I got the stock exhaust with it. I put the stock exhaust back on the truck. As you can see, my interior is gutted at this point, but everything is sound deadened, and that's the reason why it's gutted. So now this is a follow-up video to that previous one, just to hear it still with the same turbo. You can still hear the turbo, but you hear it from up in the engine bay, not so much through the exhaust, with a stock exhaust on it. Cat, stock muffler, this is what it sounds like. That's windows down. I'll put the windows up. Still kind of hear it with the windows up. And that's my steering column. Ignore that. It's nice and quiet in here. You still hear it. Personally, I'd still prefer a stock turbo on this thing. That's just me. I understand why people like these and the sound of these, but yeah, this is what it is. If I put the window back down, it's very tolerable, which previously it was not at all tolerable. And I'm very happy with this decision. I know a lot of you are going to be like, I'm out of my mind for putting stock exhaust back on the truck, but I don't fucking care.